Welcome back to my channel. The 2025 Toyota Yaris showcases a fresh and dynamic design. The front grille has been reimagined with a bold hexagonal pattern, giving the car a more aggressive and modern look. Slim LED headlights integrate seamlessly into the sculpted hood, adding a touch of sophistication. Along the sides, the sleek lines and carefully designed contours enhance aerodynamics while giving the car a sporty character. The Yaris sits on newly designed alloy wheels, which range from 15 to 17 inches depending on the trim level, ensuring it looks stylish from every angle. At the back, sharp taillights and a subtle spoiler complete the look, making the Yaris both visually appealing and functional. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the Yaris' focus on maximizing space and comfort within a compact footprint. The cabin has been designed with high-quality materials and thoughtful ergonomics. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, featuring a floating 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is customizable, allowing drivers to view everything from speed and fuel economy to navigation directions at a glance. The seats are supportive and comfortable, with available premium fabric or synthetic leather upholstery, depending on the trim. Despite its compact size, the Yaris offers ample legroom for passengers and a surprisingly spacious trunk, making it practical for both city driving and weekend getaways. Now, let's talk about performance. The 2025 Toyota Yaris comes with multiple powertrain options to cater to different needs. The base model is powered by a 1.5-liter 3-cylinder engine, delivering a respectable balance of power and fuel efficiency. For those seeking even greater efficiency, Toyota offers a hybrid variant that pairs the 1.5-liter engine with an electric motor, achieving impressive fuel economy figures that are among the best in its class. Both powertrains are mated to a smooth CVT, providing a seamless driving experience. The Yaris feels agile and responsive on city streets, while its refined suspension system ensures a comfortable ride, even on uneven road surfaces. One of the standout features of the 2025 Yaris is its suite of advanced safety technologies. Toyota Safety Sense package is standard across all trims, offering features like pre-collision warning, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic high beams. These systems work together to enhance driver confidence and ensure maximum safety for passengers. Additionally, the car is equipped with multiple airbags and a reinforced frame, making it one of the safest choices in the compact car category. The 2025 Yaris also excels in terms of technology and convenience. The infotainment system is intuitive and quick to respond, while the available head-up display provides key driving information without distracting from the road. Higher trims come with premium features such as a wireless charging pad, heated seats, and a panoramic sunroof. Toyota has also introduced a new smartphone app that allows owners to remotely lock and unlock the car, check its status, and even locate it in a crowded parking lot. These thoughtful additions make the Yaris a truly modern vehicle. One of the unique selling points of the Yaris is its versatility. It's small enough to navigate tight urban spaces with ease, yet offers enough space and features to feel like a much larger vehicle. Its excellent fuel efficiency and low running costs make it an economical choice, while its stylish design and premium interior give it a sense of sophistication that's rare in this segment. But whether you're a first-time car buyer, a young professional, or someone looking for a reliable second car, the Yaris delivers value in every aspect. As we wrap up, it's clear that the 2025 Toyota Yaris is more than just a compact car. It's a statement of how small vehicles can be both practical and desirable. With its eye-catching design, advanced features, and impressive efficiency, the Yaris is a strong contender in its class. Toyota has once again proven that great things can come in small packages. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive review of the 2025 Toyota Yaris. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews of the latest cars and motorcycles. Let us know in the comments below what you think of the new Yaris. Would this be your next car? Until next time, drive safe and take care.